Hey everyone, happy Self Love Sunday. So let's do a check in. So, this is where we are going to check in with our heart center, check in with what's happening, going on within us, and seeing how we can mitigate any heaviness, any feelings, change up the frequency of what's happening on the inside. So, get into a comfortable position for a few minutes and take a deep breath in and close your eyes. And sigh it out. And take another deep breath in and sigh it out. And just continue to breathe nice and easy. Allow the breath to flow. Allow the belly to rise and fall. Now, draw your attention to your heart center, to your spiritual heart. And just take a moment to listen, to understand, to determine what your heart is saying. How is it feeling? Listen closely and continue to breathe. How can you give yourself and show yourself love today? What are the things that you can do for yourself to switch up the frequency, to switch into a frequency of love? How can you show yourself love today? And how can you honor yourself? When we honor ourselves, when we honor the love that's within, that love grows and expands. And those lower vibrational feelings, thoughts, suddenly begin to become more elevated and switch into a higher frequency. They change into a frequency of love. And the more we do this, the more we transform and become so much more than what we are. For the rest of this week, make sure to tune in to your heart and understand what it is that it's telling you. Give yourself the love and the kindness that you need. Thank you for being here. Namaste.